يعطيكم العافية جميعا. في هذا الفيديو راح نحل جزئية الوورد من بيبر 2-1 فبراير مارش 2022 لمادة ال ICT. You have been supplied with the following resources. طبعا resources موجودين معنا هون هياتهم. Task 1 Evidence document. Open the file M2221 evidence.rtf. Side by side my question paper. Make sure your name, comma space, center number, and candidate number will appear on every page of this document. Insert, header. طبعا هون مش محدد left, center, right, so you can pick the blank one, the first one. Write your details. Close header and footer. File, save as. Browse the working area, which is source file, one, with the name, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4 as candidate number, with data type or save file type, Word document. Task 2, you are going to edit a document for a company. The company uses a corporate house style for all its documents. Paragraph style must be created, modified, and applied as instructed. Open the file in 2221 storage.rtf. Storage.rtf. There it is. Side by side again with the question paper. The page setup is set to A4 portrait orientation with 2 cm margins. Do not make any change to these settings. 3 paragraph styles have already been created. Do not make any change to these unless instructed. Save the document in your working area in the format of the software you are using with the file name upgrade. File, save as, browse my working area here with the name mentioned in the question paper and the format of my software that I'm using. Evidence 1. Take screenshot evidence of the document saved in your working area. دروا على working area تبعنا. This is the file have been saved. بدي أتأكد إنه formatted التايب تبعه fully visible والاكستنشن تبعه available. باخذ سكرين شوت. راجع على evidence. Paste. Save. Remove any preset page break in this document. لحتى أشوف البيج بريك موجود أنا بدي أكبس على البutton أو tool show and hide controls أو tool. وأعمل scroll down وأشيك إذا في عندي page break, section break. هي أول page break. إذا حطيت الكيرسر at the end of the page break you need to click backspace. وإذا حطيت الكيرسر before the page break you need to press delete. So I'm going to press delete. Any other page breaks? No other page breaks. Question 3. Place in the header your name, comma space, center number, and candidate number right align. Insert. Header. 3 columns. The right side. Your details. Place in the footer automated page number, center align. Current position, plain number. Delete the placeholder or text holder. No other text should be visible. Make sure that the header is right aligned to the page margin. نطلع الهيدر. هاي الهيدر to make sure that it is right aligned. There it is. The footer is the center and the line between the page margins. There it is. No other text or placeholder are included in the header and footer areas. We just delete them. Header and footer are displayed in all pages. This is the first page, and this is the second one. Close header and footer. Save. Question 4. Create the following paragraph style based on the default paragraph style. HD title, serif 28, center, bold, italic, single, zero space before, zero space after. لحتى أضيف هذا الستايل وما بدي أعمل effect على التكست الموجود, I'm going to add blank line at the beginning of the document, put the cursor at the top, وعلى style setting to the left side, new style, والاسم تبعه. Based on normal, formatting, font style, serif, Times New Roman, size 28, center align, bold, italic, single line spacing, zero space before, zero space after. Format, paragraph, single line spacing, zero spacing before, zero spacing after. Okay. Take screenshot evidence to show that the setting of the HD title paragraph style is placed in and place this in your evidence document. Modify. Setting tool. Okay. Paste. Save. Minimize. Question 5. At the start of the document, enter the title. Upgrade your data storage. احنا كنا ضايفين blank line, فهي صارت مناسبة لنا انه على طول نكتب الكلام اللي بدنا اياه. You apply the HD title style to this text. It has been applied لأنه اللاين تبع اللي ضفته I created the style over it. Save. Question 6. Select the subheading which drive work for you and the following text up to the to and including the paragraph ends a similar drive in 9.5 millimeter spaces. Which drive work for you? بدي أعمل select the data هون. The paragraph ends with 9.5 millimeters. Change the page layout so that only the text is displayed in two columns of equal width with a 1.5 centimeter spacing between them. Layout, columns, more columns, two columns with 1.5 centimeter spacing between them. Save. Question 7. Apply bullets to the text from mechanical hard drive to M2 format SSDs. Make sure you use a square as a bullet point. The bolts are indented by 1.5 centimeter from the left margin. Paragraph setting. Indentation 1.5. The list is a single line spacing with no space before or after each line. Single line spacing, zero spacing before, zero spacing after. There is 6-point space after the last item of the list. Okay. نيجي هون على آخر واحد نقول له paragraph settings أعطيني after 6 point. طيب. Question 8. The paragraph style HD subhead has already been created and applied to the 6th subheading. Modify the HD subhead paragraph style so only the following format is applied. HD subhead, click the arrow, modify. Font style, serif, Times New Roman. Font size 12. Alignment center. Italic, bold, all caps, enhancement. Italic, bold, بس مش underline, so I'm going to remove the underline. All caps, format, font, all caps. Okay. Single line spacing, 0 space before, and 9 space after. Format, paragraph, single line spacing, 0 space before, 9 space after. Okay. Okay. Take screenshot evidence to show your modified settings for the HD subhead, paragraph style, and place it in your evidence document. مرة ثانية, click, modify, mapping tool, new. Okay. Evidence. Paste. وارجع على التايتل تبع evidence. Control. Enter. طيب. Question 9. Place a text box at the top of the paragraph that starts if you can physically upgrade. If you can physically upgrade. Align the text box to the top of the paragraph and the right margin of the document. Wrap the text to make sure that no text is hidden behind the text box. Locate the file and place the content of this file into the text box. Format the text as HD body paragraph. Style and make it bold. Make sure that all the text is visible and words are not split over lines in the text box. Format the text box with the light gray background and 3-point to 4-point thick line. It may look like this. بلش فيهم واحدة واحدة. بدنا نجيب text box at the beginning of this paragraph. I insert from shape or text box from here. I text box. Choose anyone you want. I'm going to put it here. طبعا زي ما انتم شايفين text box غطى على الكلام اللي ورا. فلاحظت الكلام خلي الكلام wrapped around باجي من هون أو من هون. shape format text wrap أو من هاي. both are the same. tight على طول صار زي الإيمج. الإيمج لما بنعملها tight بيصير التكست يعمل wrapping around. بدي أجيب الكلام الموجود بالملف هذا اللي اسمه M2221 extra موجود بالworking area تبعنا. copy paste. طبعا راح أكبر الكلام أنا شوي لحتى أشوفه كامل. بعدين بدي أعطي apply select the text apply للبادي لإلها format. There it is. Everything is fully visible. We did this one. Format the text with the HD body paragraph style and make it bold. هاي هون هاي bold. Make sure all the text is visible and words are not split over lines in the text box. Everything is visible. حتى نتأكد كبر الصورة كل إشي واضح. ممكن أصغر أنا لحتى تصير الأمور تمام. Format the text box with the light gray background and 3 to 4 point thickness. Shape format, shape fill, light gray background, shape outline, weight 3 to 4, high 3. There it is. You may move it down a little bit like this. Yes. Okay. There it is. Save. Question 10. Locate the table on the document. Set point black internal and external. 1 point black. Set 1 point black internal and external grid line. Delete. نبلش فيهم واحدة واحدة. هذا التيبل. Border. Border and shading. 1 point. Oh, okay. There it is. Delete the entire column and content with the heading notes. Click, right click, delete column. Apply HD table paragraph style to all the data in this table. Select table. Set the table width to 15 centimeters. Right click, table property, preferred width 15. Okay. Center align the table within the page margin. Center align. Make sure that words are not split over lines within the text or when the text is wrapped. All grid round are displayed when printed. There is a 6 point space after the table. طبعا يا جماعة أنا ممكن نسهل الموضوع علينا ونخلي التيبل كله يجي within the same page. So I'm going to do this. نتأكد إنه ما في كلمة عم تعمل split over 2 lines. Question 11. Import the image M2221 SSD.jpg and place it in the paragraph beginning. The M2 format is effectively. Hey, I have the pointer at the beginning of the paragraph. Then insert picture from this device. Source files. شايفين مع إضافة الصورة التيبل نزل لتحت. فبدنا ننتبه لهذا الكلام. شو حكى لي هون؟ Rotate the image 180 degree. Rotate 90. هاي كمان 90 صار 180. Format the image so that it is resized to a half of the column width with aspect ratio maintained. I don't know what is the width of the column. فأنا بدوس على الكولوم وبرجع مرة ثانية layout columns. شوف more columns. شو معطيني 2 columns. the width of the table of the column 7.75. اقسم لي على 2 picture format size الwidth. طبعا بدك تتأكد إنه aspect ratio maintained relative to the original picture size. هي هو كمان إذا بتلاحظوا إنه الويدث تبعها نفس الويدث تبع التيبل. هي paste click here على طول راح يتغير. okay there it is. It is aligned to the right of the column and the top of the paragraph starting with M2 format. M2 format to the right, to the right. Oh, sorry. Wrap, right, click, خلاص روح. حركها. وصلنا الرايت، نزل، هيك to the top. شايفين الجايد لاين الأخضر؟ فأنت هيك فرق. The text wraps around the image. It is. Save. Spell check and proofread the document. طبعا ممكن تيجي من editor هون وتدور على السبيلينج. في عندي 3 spelling errors gigabytes. طب شو الغلط فيها؟ مو مشكلة. ignore it. برضو ignore it. وهي abbreviation start from something. I don't know. Close this one. There is no widow orphans. نتفرج. قبل ما نضيف الصورة كان في عندي هون one line بس بعد ما ضفنا الصورة صار 2 line acceptable. نيجي هلا. The original page break have been removed. We did that. There are no blank page, no blank page. Paragraph style have been applied. It is applied. There is 6 point after the table and the list. طبعا إذا بتلاحظوا التابل عندي split over 2 pages. بدي أحاول إذا زبط معي إني أجيبه on this page. وإذا ما زبط بضطر إني أنزله كامل على الصفحة الثانية. ما راح يزبط معي فراح أخلي التابل ينزل لتحت. Six point after the list. There is a 6 point after the list. The 6 point after the table. لاحظ إنه التابل is directly connected to the paragraph. أنا حتى أضيف 6 point after it's the same as 6 point space before the paragraph. أحط الcursor at the beginning of the paragraph. Paragraph setting. Add a 6 point before it. There it is. Save the document using the same file name and the format in step 1. I save. Print the document. File, print. I'm going to use Microsoft Print PDF. وأعمل print. هي الطباعة في هذا الشكل.